Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Thursday, January 24th. Stocks continue the bull run with the broad market E-mini S&P finishing at 1490 yesterday. Last Wednesday's and Thursday's lows at 1460 act as a support below to keep an eye on. Dow futures added 20 points, remaining above 13,700 in a quiet sideways session that had only a 60-point trading range from high to low. Blue chips have support at 13,600 and 13,400 below that. So tech stocks right now are in the midst of the big earnings announcements that are going to drive that sector. The E-mini Nasdaq finished 8 points higher yesterday at 2759 before the Apple numbers came out. Support sits at the old sideways channel top at 2700 with the next resistance at 2775 above. Crude gave back some of its gains, down $1.50 Wednesday to close at 95.25 after new multi-month highs this week just below the $97 technical target. The euro currency finished unchanged, with the dollar remaining just below the 80 pivot level yesterday. Long Treasury bond futures closed steady at 146.03. Gold backed off, losing $8 to close at 16.86 yesterday after stalling just below the month highs Tuesday. Silver was 22 cents higher at 32.24 as it's held the $32 pivot level. So stocks continue to march higher in quiet trade. Now, how are things setting up on the Thursday morning after the Apple earnings disappointment? Well, the euro currency ventured below 133 last night and sits at unchanged at 133.25. The dollar has bounced above the 80 level. It's up 12 ticks at 80.12. 30-year bond futures sit 13 ticks higher, just under 146.5 right now. Crude oil is up 30 cents at 95.50 in a tight 50-cent overnight range. Again, it stalled at that upside resistance at 97, which then has a psychological resistance above that at $100 a barrel. Gold sits lower this morning. It's lost another $8 at $16.78 an ounce after an attempt to make those new month highs had failed. Silver's dropped below that 32 pivot. It's down 56 cents at 31.88. So as we get started on this Thursday morning, the E-mini stock futures right now are 3 lower at 1487. Dow futures are 4 points higher, and Nasdaq futures are down 38 because of Apple, with more than an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up the current action on this Thursday morning, the euro currency is steady with the dollar just above 80. The bond market right now is 13 ticks higher. Crude oil is up 30 cents at 95.50, with gold off $8 at 16.78 per ounce. The E-mini S&P futures right now are 3 lower at 1487, and Dow futures sit just under 13,720. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. I will see you early Friday morning for the Stir in the Market to set up your day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.